The Russians have begun using telewarfare equipment in the attack columns themselves. Here it is, a Russian assault column on the front, somewhere between Kreminna and Kupiansk, being sunk by the Ukrainian 95th, 60th, and 1st and 12th National Guard Brigades. The first two vehicles went on mines. We are seeing this kind of videos every day, but Russians have a lot of this old Soviet junk and meat waves to send. The Netherlands will provide 24 F-16 aircraft to Ukraine, said the Dutch Defense Minister Kajsa Ollongren. Ukraine is fighting, but it's a war for freedom, democracy, rule of law, and against illegal aggression. And that's why we're ready to support Ukraine, and that's why we're doing everything we can to deliver ammunition as soon as possible, especially of the 155mm caliber. We're working on it very hard, Ms. Ollongren said. An excellent rapid assessment by Joni Escola. Russian occupiers have entered the eastern perimeter of Chasiv Yar. Cause for concern? After over a year of occupying Bakhmut, Russian forces advanced to Chasiv Yar, located less than 15 kilometers away. This delay was due to the strategic necessity of capturing Avdiivka, a lengthy and costly endeavor that resulted in over 200 visually confirmed main battle tank losses. Chasiv Yar's elevated position makes it a crucial defensive bastion. It functioned as a vital supply artery to Bakhmut during Ukraine's defensive efforts. Additionally, the city acts as a protective buffer for Slovyansk and Kramatorsk, which are more significant strongholds. Defending Chasiv Yar will buy valuable time for Ukraine to reinforce its new defensive lines. This illustrates Ukraine's rapid construction of fortifications over the past few months, underscoring the nation's proactive efforts to bolster its defenses. Capturing Chasiv Yar would enable Russian forces to endanger the nearby railway hub, Kostiantynivka, and potentially pose a threat to larger and more strategically significant cities further north, such as Kramatorsk and Slovyansk. Russia is expected to suffer significant troop and material losses during the city's capture, diminishing their future offensive capabilities and affording Ukraine additional time to fortify defensive positions. There's no need for panic. Russia has yet to capture a single regional capital or city with special status in this war, highlighting a significant failure that cannot be overshadowed by tactical successes. It is probable that Russia will launch a significant offensive this year, as they are aware that 2024 represents their final opportunity. Ukraine is poised to mobilize additional manpower, while both Western and Ukrainian defense production capabilities are rapidly expanding. If Ukraine successfully navigates through 2024 without significant territorial losses, and achieves substantial mobilization, training, and secures additional aid while fortifying new defensive lines, the country's position will be considerably more secure in 2025. The dam in the Russian city of Orsk has completely collapsed. Just an hour before, Orsk Mayor Vasily Kozupitsa had reported that one of the two breaches had been reinforced. Authorities are urging the population to evacuate. A significant part of the houses are flooded. 3 victims have already been confirmed. Emercom publishes footage of heroic rescue of people. The mayor's office announces the recruitment of volunteers to fight the disaster. The destroyed dam was built in 2014. After Orsk, an evacuation was announced in Orenburg. At the same time, no one said a word about the guilty. Residents are writing about looters. Strangely, no one has so far accused Ukraine of anything. Everyone has gotten used to the fact that in Russia, Kyiv, Zelensky, Budanov, and Malyuk are to blame for everything. The Orenburg ORT TV channel deleted its correspondent's report about water overtopping over the dam in the new part of Orsk. We take care of our people. Russian propagandist Solovyev. He describes the incredible level of medicine in the Russian army. There is countless evidence that says otherwise, but propaganda doesn't need facts.
У нас нет такого, что человека взяли, подбило рученьки, через 3 дня он на фронте. А через еще там несколько часов уже, если ему повезло, то ранен, а если нет, то труп. Еще не факт, что труп вывезут и похоронят. Не, наши по-другому действуют. Наши понимают ценность жизни каждого бойца. И, конечно, фантастически работает наша медицина. То есть процент ребят, которых ставят обратно на ноги, возвращают в строй, ни в одной войне мира такого нет.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.